Walmart has its own streaming stick coming out, and it's got Android TV 10, and you probably noticed it's packing Google's remote, their reference design, which is kind of interesting. I didn't even know there was such a thing as following their reference design for Android TV, but there is.
This one right here?
Yeah, it's a different color. But do you recall from the latest Android TV stuff? That's the remote.
Is it? Oh, I thought it was a little smaller. But
Smaller? Well, if you saw in the pictures, this is barely bigger than the Power Brick.
what was it called again? The Chrome streaming.
The what? Oh, it used to be called Chromecast. They don't call it that anymore, right?
Yeah. What was it called again? Chromecast with Google TV?
Yeah, they call it Google TV now, I guess. Anyway, there's a remote. Whoa, their website is too dynamic.
I can't even get a good look at it.
But it's certainly the same shape.
Sure.
Has the same buttons, give or
pretty
take. It's very close. I guess they added, what did Walmart add to it? Go back to they added a Disney Plus button and an HBO.
HBO. It's not Max, is it?
I don't know. They added a couple of shortcut buttons on there, but
Oh, yeah, it is.
it's roughly the same layout with this circular section and then a big assistant button. And presumably, Walmart's product is going to come in at a cheaper price. You can see the stick itself. By the way, it's called ONN, O-N-N. I'm not sure about the name. The stick itself is quite small. And apparently, it's going to come in for a lower price point, or at least that's the speculation, because it's only capable of 1080p 60. So it's not a 4K capable device. But I don't know. I mean, you saw the Google product is 69. I mean, maybe, what does this have to come in at then? 39, 29? What's Roku's cheapest stick? Like that's probably really what they're up against as far as what Walmart's going to sell. The device is certified for both Netflix and Amazon Prime Video and offers support for Disney Plus and HBO Max given dedicated shortcut buttons. I think Roku's cheapest might even be 29. I don't know.
I thought it was 29, yeah.
I could be
You're
crazy.
Right.
You're looking at TVs instead of you're better off to just go to Amazon, but streaming players, yeah.
Good.
Roku's like, how dare you, Will? Roku's like, oh, you don't happen to be running a show right now, do you? Because our site's going to be kind of slow at the moment. Yeah, that's why I always go straight to Amazon. You can't trust this stuff. Plus, Amazon might have a lower price. They often have promos on Roku products. So here we go. Bingo. 47, that's not the cheapest. 29, there it is. Roku Express. And that's also not going to be 4K. And the remote layout is going to be a little bit different. But anyway, probably this is similar to what Walmart will be targeting with their offering. They may want to come for this. Come do battle with Roku. But instead, packing Google's tech.